Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Diecast Defender. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product. Our Defender. This is a 1:42 diecast metal scale model of Land Rover Defender 110. This car comes in a yellow shade color. Defender 110 is the name for the 5-door version of Land Rover Defender. It has a well-detailed exterior body. Just look at it. The paint job, the detailing, door handle, the spare wheel, tail lights, headlights, grille, and also just look at the tires. They are rubber tires and has well-detailed alloys. This diecast model comes with two openable front doors. Wow, it looks so realistic. And a well detailed interior inside. Just look at the left hand drive steering, cabin, dashboard, and seats. Wow. Guys, this diecast model comes with pullback action feature. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my videos to at least your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Now let's take this die-cast model of Defender for a mini test drive. Wow! Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.